Welcome in to another Woolly review for Fuzz DK from the Wool Factory, which is exactly where you get this. The Wool Factory. It is their own thing, and this, at time of recording, is £1. One. There are 9 different colourings available. Now, this is 100 grams skein. It is asking for a 4mm hook. So, we have a 4mm hook in the way of Beanie helping us out. The Beanie. This is 50% recycled acrylic. Can we focus in on that? Maybe? Maybe not. Maybe. Oh gosh, talking of the bean. It has joined us. 50% recycled acrylic. Don't touch the wool. 30% recycled cotton. 20% recycled polyester. 100 grams. 230 meters, approximately. And not that we're here to judge it, but it is the colour 10002, of course. Obviously. So, we also have the help of our 5 ladybirds up here, which is merch for the channel up until my podiversary. If you want one, check the details on the post on my homepage and get a hold of me if you're interested. You can get any colour you like. Not just these, but like any colour you like. Just say the colour and we can try and get it sorted for you. Now, this is a prize that was for Woolly Wednesday in February. So I can only do a half swatch. Though granted, even doing that with a beanie butt in here is very difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and one more. We are going to do a row of single crochets. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about how it feels. It feels okay. It feels like your dead basic cheap wool, really. Not overly soft, not overly rough, just like your dead basic, you know? But for £1, I mean, it's recycled, for heaven's sake. You're doing good by the planet. You're recycling plastic. And these colourings have 2 to 3 colours each, which is kind of shown in there. Oh, we're on the move. If it will focus in. I mean, they're calling this red grey. We can go with that, can't we? Red grey. They've got purple and grey and black and red and brown and green and blue and teal. Last one. Now we're going to do some half doubles. No, we're not here judging my attempt at crochet, okay? We're here to judge the yarn only. Just the wool, okay? That's why it is a woolly review. So bear that in mind. But yes, only obtainable through the Wool Factory, unless, of course, somebody is selling it on a different site like eBay or Etsy, which of course it's possible, but I can almost guarantee it's going to be more expensive than £1 per skein. And I think for that meterage, that is blooming good. If you can get it while you can get it, you go get it. All the details for this are going to be down below in the description. as ever. And of course, the link to the Wool Factory too. One more. I'm going to do doubles for the last row. Oh, sorry. Should I blame Beanie for that? Yes, let's blame Beanie. Beanie, it's all your fault. She just wants to escape. She doesn't want to help with the crochet. What like? There is a good bit of elasticity in there, which I'm quite surprised at because I wasn't actually expecting any. So that's not bad. It is fuzzy. I mean, I don't know. You can see the fuzz. You can see it. Even with the light blaring it out, you can still see it. It's fuzzy, which doesn't make me feel so good about... Why have I done a single crochet? Oh my gosh. What am I doing here? Let's try that again. It doesn't make me feel so good about coming to frog it. And we're almost at the frogging station right now. But we'll see how it goes. Again, this is a Woolly Wednesday prize, so I can't do a full swatch. And as this is named Fuzz for what it is, I'm kind of dreading frogging it anyway, but we will see what happens because right now we have finished our little swatch. Thank you very much, Beanie. Stitch definition, yeah, but even with the light off, yeah. Anyway, that's not so bad, you know. It feels worse in the fingertips than it does feeling it like that. That isn't a bad wearable material. That's not bad at all. Okay, so I'm expecting kinkage. I'm expecting difficulty with the frog. So Mr. Frog, please, let's go for a walk. A nice gentle walk. But I'm guessing that you're feeling the need for speed, right? Hop on your moped then. Oh my gosh. Wow. And the kinkage isn't that bad. That's not bad. And it frogged perfectly well. I am amazed and impressed. Wow. Okay. Let's wind her back up then. Wow. So for me personally, price, perfect. Colouring, they're not overly my colours because I'm not that keen on this mild type colouring, overly speaking. But £1 for 240 meters, and they do recommend a size 4 hook, which is why we had Beanie helping us out. Will we make it just the one ladybird? No. Will we make it the 2 ladybirds? No. Will we make it 3 ladybirds? No. I'm going to stop here though, we're going to count it as 4 ladybirds. Sorry, 5th one. I think the price, the meterage, the fact it's recycled, I think it's blooming brilliant. It frogs fantastically for something that is fuzzy and declares itself as fuzz. I can't give it a 5 because there aren't enough colour options. And personally speaking, I'm not the Marley kind of person. But top 3, giving it the 4 ladybirds, I think, heck yeah, it's definitely nice to work with. You know, it's not a rough thing, but it feels nicer when worked up. I think this is good. I think this is a good one. So yeah, I'm giving it a 4. That's my personal thing. Maybe you've tried it and you're really not keen, or maybe you've tried it and you're like, heck, it's the first thing I'd go to. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, or if you would give it a go. And hopefully next week we will bring back another wool to review, and I'll see you there. And let's just bring that over there because I feel bad it was out of the way. There we go. Brought to you by the Ladybirds and Beanie. And I've been Khadijah, and I will hopefully see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.